Hello friends, viewers and my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. This is your host Asad Shah and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and viewers, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of Bohemian style embroidery denim jackets for lovely women. My dear friends, these jackets, designs and colors are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, these jackets are very pretty and warm as well. And friends, these jackets are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear and brilliantly created, keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends and viewers, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. So my dear friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all guys.